Blockchain meaning a blockchain is a type of decentralized database system based on linking together previous records in secure blocks of information. A blockchain keeps track of all transactions in a database by categorizing them into blocks, each of which is encrypted, cannot be edited, and is time-stamped. Each block is connected to the preceding block in chronological sequence and includes all of its data, resulting in a chain of blocks that are linked together. Once the most recent block has been finished, it is added to the blockchain. A blockchain is not based on a single master computer, but is instead spread over a large number of computers, resulting in a permanent, shared registry that is very difficult to alter or manipulate. Blockchains are a technological invention that was developed for the encrypted digital currency Bitcoin, and they serve to record all Bitcoin transactions from its inception till the present day. Satoshi Nakamoto, a pseudonym for the mystery founder of Bitcoin, was the brains behind the first blockchain database, which was designed by him. Even though the phrases block and chain are used in Nakamoto's initial 2008 paper explaining his development, they are never used in the same sentence. His technique was given the moniker blockchain as he merged the concepts in a short period of time. With growing awareness, interest, and application of the technology by 2015, the one-word compound blockchain began to appear in major media magazines like Fortune, Forbes, and the Huffington Post, indicating that the technology had acquired widespread acceptance.